Hello, this is Ms. Rawls, and I welcome you to Mgt 218 Small Business Management course. This course is a prerequisite for management majors. It's an elective for general business majors or for any students who has the desire to learn about the practical approaches to managing in a small business environment. To get started and familiarize yourself with the course, click the Content Tool button to display the Overview module. The Overview module provides you with a description of the course and the course materials that is available in the D2L Learning Management System. For example, the Getting Started module has a welcome letter from me, a link to the college's bookstore where you can purchase the textbook, a link to download Microsoft Office for free, and a document which lists the days and hours of the college's computer labs at each of the 4 campus locations. By clicking on the D2L How-To Video Tutorials module, you can review video tutorials on how to navigate D2L and complete your assignments. Once you have familiarized yourself with D2L and all the course materials, please complete your first 2 mandatory assignments by signing into the discussion board and introducing yourself to me and your classmates. Once you complete your discussion post, then you can complete and submit the Ready to Begin assignment. These 2 assignments is located in the Week 1 module. Again, welcome to the course, and I look forward to working with each of you.